Hey, how's everyone doing today? Everyone's having a good day out there? So I want to bring you some important information, especially if you're in the market for buying a new vehicle. This can definitely save you thousands of dollars, and it's nothing really you have to do as far as negotiating, because we know that you can't really get as great of deals anymore. You used to be able to go in and get $5,000-$6,000 off most cars easily. Now, not so much. So let me go ahead and share exactly what news just came out that'll help you in your car purchase. So like I said before, you could easily get a lot of money off a vehicle. Like, you would never pay MSRP unless it was some specialty vehicle. You'd probably get $5,000-$6,000 off. In fact, my own TLX that I bought it right when COVID started. I got $7,000 off the MSRP on that. So that was a good deal, but they were just trying to sell cars at that point, and now not so much. And the reason I want to share this information with you is because if you're looking to buy a car, this will easily save you thousands of dollars, which is huge. It's not $100 it's going to save you. And this all has to do with the new tariffs that are coming into play here. And we know we've all heard about this, and you might have not seen a huge change right now because of all the existing inventory they had. But starting in 2026, so in about 4 solid months, prices are going to jump up tremendously. And of course, it's going to vary by manufacturer as far as how many of the parts that are used in that vehicle are outsourced and all that kind of thing. But to give you a little breakdown of what it could actually do if you're looking for a car, and this information was brought out in this article I have. So say you're looking for a car that's about $48,000, which in today's market's not really expensive. That car first of the year, if you're buying a 2026 model, could jump up to $62,000. And that's nothing different. Same vehicle, every year they go up a tiny bit, like the new year, maybe $500, $600, and they add maybe a feature here and there, but not thousands of dollars like that. And a lot of this is due to the new tariffs and trying to recoup some of that they didn't do this year. So if you're buying a car this year and it stayed the same price and you got maybe a few $1,000s off, that's a good deal. Well, now they're going to try to make that up this first year because they're being hit with this, and by charging more for their vehicles. It states that the Detroit's big three manufacturers will see on average about $7,000 increase per vehicle. So that's substantial. If you're looking to get in a car already, they're expensive, and you're going to add $7,000 on top of that. Either you lease it or you buy it, no matter how you do it, it's got to increase the payment, or you're paying cash. It's just a lot more money to spend for the same exact car. So if you're definitely looking to buy a new vehicle this year or in the near future, I would do it in the next 4 months for sure. Don't wait until January, because you're just going to be spending thousands more. Or like I said, if you're doing payments or a lease, you're going to spend at least $100, $150 more a month for the same identical vehicle that you could buy now, just being a 2026 model. And then I know people saying, well, I don't buy new cars, I only buy used cars. There's a lot of people that do that. But the problem with this is what they're saying is the used car market is going to go sky high as well. And the reason for this is if you have a used vehicle and you don't want to be stuck paying a higher price because of tariffs, more than likely you're going to hang on to that vehicle. So they're not going to have as many trade-ins as they do now on their lots, which means, as you know, if inventory is low, they're going to charge a premium for it. And we've seen that before. So if you're trying to buy, say, a used Honda Accord now, it might be X amount of dollars, but that same vehicle, since they're going to have a lot less of them come next year, it might go up $1,500, $2,000. So you're going to be paying a little bit more than maybe it's worth at some point next year because of all this. Because right now, I feel like dealers have a pretty good inventory of used vehicles. If you look on their websites, they have a good amount. But as cars get more expensive, people just fix what they have instead of going into debt to buy a new vehicle. Then that means what they have on their lots will get a lot less inventory, which means they're not going to be willing to deal as much as they do if they have a full inventory and trying to push units out. So again, I wanted to bring this to your attention because a lot of you guys were looking at vehicles. So if I was on the market, I would definitely do something in the next 4 months instead of waiting until next year just to pay thousands more for the same thing. Or same thing if you're buying a used car, I would start looking now and trying to get something by the end of December to avoid them not having any markdowns on these vehicles or really not wanting to deal with you. So hopefully this will help you guys out. Again, if you're in the market, it would definitely save you thousands of dollars, no questions, because these will be in full effect come 2026. So again, just wanted to share the information with you guys. Hope you guys are having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.